Ciao, my name is Rafael Moura and welcome to another Blueback how-tos. The following video was inspired on my last night out. Only after mixing a few drinks you're able to tell which ones are good, a good mix, and which ones are not. Following this principle, it is also very useful to be able to plot different data types in the same plotting windows. So let's have a look on how our GDI plugin works in order to do so using a reservoir engineering example. Let's go to Petrel. So here we have Petrel. Let's start by creating an investigation. I go to Insert, New GDI Investigation. Then I come to the star icon, Add Data. Let's plot a folder of wells. And then we can select this folder of wells. I'm going to use the sea wells. Okay. And I want to plot permeability. I'll add another continuous dimension. I'll add two of them. So permeability, let's bring porosity, and net to gross. We have net to gross. Good. Now I'm gonna add one single well from another folder. So I'll come here to the well, and I'm gonna select, for example, the A15 well, since this one is already open. The software already took two of the dimensions, it's missing one. Let's find net to gross. We have net to gross. And I want to cross-plot my wells with a model data, with my grid model. So let's come here to the model, select the GeoGrid, and select the same dimensions. So permeability for dimension 1, porosity for dimension 2, and net to gross for the third one. This is showing you how many points we have. We hit the OK button. Petrel is loading. Alright, so now we have a new investigation being created. Let's first open in the window. Let's analyze this data in a histogram window. So here's my histogram. I toggle on my investigation. Let's come here to the eye icon to make this bigger. And I want to display a legend, so I toggle on the legend. So as we can see, we have the blue bars are representing the A15 well. Then we have the orange. We have two colors of orange. A folder of wells, and the GeoGrid is the dark orange. So let's do a few things. First, I want to change from permeability to porosity. So I can use this icon here, set horizontal axis, and let's say porosity. And I want to change the colors of the bars, so double click on my investigation, the input tree, and I can come here to data style tab. I will select the folder of wells and the A well, and I want them to be red, for example, and the GeoGrid I want it to be dark blue. I hit the OK button. So what kind of information can we take from this histogram here? If I assume that I build my GeoGrid using the wells that I'm plotting right now, they should have the same trend here in the histogram. So we can see that the porosity kind of indicates for us that they do have the same trend. This is a way to quick QC your data. We can do exactly the same by opening new plotting windows, for example a scatter plot window. I toggle on the same investigation, and I can toggle on my legend again, and here we go. We have an idea of the distribution of points between the wells and the grid. This is it for now. Please, if you have further questions about how to cross-plot multiple data, contact us via our support channel or through sales@bluebackreservoir.com. Thanks a lot. Bye.